everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can buy iCloud storage in your iPhone. So it is very easy. What you need to do is just go to your settings here. After going to the settings, as you can see that this is your account. Tap on your account, and under the account you can see there's an iCloud option. Tap on it. By default, Apple provides you in your iCloud 5 GB of data. Now you can upgrade here. There's an option below this, upgrade for more storage. Just tap on this and it will show you some options which you can buy. For example, 50 GB for $1 here, 200 GB for 2.99, approximately $3 per month, and 2 terabyte of data on your iCloud for $10 approximately. So that's how you can just tap on it and upgrade to iCloud and pay the bill, and that's how you can instantly upgrade your iCloud storage. So that's how you can buy iCloud storage. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and support us. Bye bye.